We are drawing the various diagrams, ray diagrams, by placing the object at various location in the case of our concave mirror. And the next place where we are going to put our object is at the center of curvature. So we already understood what happens where the image is formed when the object is placed, if the object is placed beyond the center of curvature. Now we will place the object on the center of curvature itself, and we will see how to apply the mirror equation. Okay, so that is our objective. See, understanding wise, this thing is very simple. The ray diagram would be very simple. In the case of concave mirror, this is the concave mirror. The object is placed here at center of curvature. The image would also appear at the center of curvature, but it would be inverted. It would be at the same location. Now, what we want to do is that we want to apply our mirror equation and understand how this this equation comes out to be in this particular case. How do we apply this equation? Okay, so when the object is placed at the center of curvature, it means that our u is equal to 2f. Okay, because this is focus is this, and the distance is of course the distance from the pole is focal length. Okay, and if we go another focal length distance, then we reach the center of curvature. That is true for in the case of our convex mirror, all of them. Okay, that is in the case of concave mirror, all of them, this is true. Okay, so now what we do is we write here, this is 2f plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. So our 1 by v would come out to be 1 by f into 1 minus 1 by 2, and this is nothing but 1 by 2f. So our v comes out to be 2f, and 2f is nothing but our center of curvature, that is twice the focal length. Okay, so very simple. We were able to apply this mirror equation in this particular case. Now numericals we would be solving. So first we'll look at all the cases. We'll continue to move our image closer and closer to the mirror. So we started from here, then we moved it to C. Now we'll move it between here, and we'll look at all of those cases. So definitely subscribe. All of these cases are very important. Sometimes numericals are directly asked. Okay, and of course you can practice all such numericals on DoorstepTutor.com. Thank you.